Understanding the phrase, splashing around. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the meaning and usage of the phrase, splashing around. This is a fun and vivid expression commonly used in English, and understanding it can add a playful touch to your language skills. So, let's get started. Splashing around refers to the action of moving or playing in water in a way that causes water to scatter and splash. Imagine children in a pool kicking their legs and waving their arms, causing water to fly in all directions. That's splashing around. It's a term that often conveys a sense of carefree fun and enjoyment. Now, let's talk about how this phrase is used in different contexts. You'll mostly hear splashing around in situations involving water activities like swimming, bathing, or walking in puddles. It's a light-hearted phrase, often associated with children or animals. For example, the kids spent the afternoon splashing around in the pool. Interestingly, splashing around can also be used figuratively. It can describe someone trying new things in a playful, experimental manner, not necessarily related to water. For instance, after retiring, he started splashing around in various hobbies to see what he liked. There are variations in synonyms that convey a similar meaning. Phrases like making a splash, paddling about, or frolicking in water are often used interchangeably. Each of these expressions adds a slightly different shade of meaning or formality to the conversation. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, splashing around, more confidently in your English conversations. Remember, language learning is not just about rules and grammar. It's also about capturing the joy and color of expressions like this. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.